morning, students. To start with the greatest name of Allah, whose mercy is unlimited and who created the universe. Today is Monday, 11th of May, 2K20. I'm your teacher, Miss Nazia, taking with you class of General Science for Grade 3. Here we are going to start our new topic, sense of touch. In today's lecture, we will learn about the ways we use our sense of touch. What is sense of touch? The faculty by which external objects or forces are perceived through contact with the body, especially hands. Faculty means physical power or power of doing something. Perceived means become aware of something. Like we have an amazing sense of touch. It allows us to sense hot, cold, all textures and pain. Now we will start our topic on page number 47. The children found out about things at the fair by touching them. So they discovered things by touching them in the fair. For example, this boy said, the cotton candy is soft, fluffy and sticky. The other girl said, this ball is firm and smooth. So how did they know about this? Because of sense of touch, because they touch these things. The children use their skin to observe, to notice how different things feel to touch. We touch or feel with our skin. Our skin gives us sense of touch. We can use our sense of touch to observe shapes, sizes, and textures. Which of these things feels smooth, which feels rough, which feels bumpy? So when we touch these things, we can observe that the sandpaper feels rough, the bubble wrap feels bumpy, and silk feels smooth. You can also try this at home. Touch different things and feel their textures, that how different things feel. We can use our sense of touch to observe whether something is hot or cold, soft or firm. Firm means hard, whether it is hard, and when it is wet or dry. Which of these things feel cold, firm and wet, and which feels hot, soft and dry? So when you touch ice cube, you will feel that it is cold, firm and wet. And when you touch hot water bottle, you will feel that it is hot, soft and dry. Our sense of touch let us be aware of danger. As I told you before, danger means when something wrong is happening. It helps us move around, such as by letting us feel the ground we walk on. How is our sense of touch helpful in this picture? Number 1 is hot kettle. So our sense of touch helps us to observe that the kettle is hot and we will not directly take it from the fire. Touching a spiny cactus. Here our sense of touch is helpful in this way. For example, when we touch the cactus, we are aware of the sharp spines and we didn't get hurt. Rock climbing. Here the girl is climbing the rock. So the girl is climbing rock. By her touch, she can sense that the rocks are hard and she holds the rocks for her support. And with the help of this, she can easily climb rocks without fear of falling. Walking on a wet surface. Here is another picture. So here sense of touch is helpful in this way that when we touch the floor by walking on a wet surface, it lets us know that the floor is slippery and we are aware of the slippery floor and we walk carefully on it to avoid slipping. So what have you learned? Here are some basic points which we learned in the topic. Our skin gives us sense of touch. Our sense of touch can tell us about the shapes, sizes and textures of things. It can also tell us whether something is hot or cold, soft or firm, and wet or dry. Our sense of touch lets us be aware of danger and help us move around. Now, it's your homework time. Exercise is given to you on page number 50. Which of these can observe using our sense of touch? High notes of song, wet clothes, hairy legs, rectangular box, colorful ribbons, cold ice lolly, soft pillow, smelly socks, large statue. Underline those words which can you observe with your sense of touch. Number 2 is Helen is blind and uses Braille to read. Braille consists of patterns of raised dots on paper as shown in the picture. So here are blanks for you. Fill in the blanks. Helen has lost her sense of dash. B. Helen uses her sense of dash to read Braille. Okay, so students, do your homework properly. This was the end of today's lecture and I hope that it will be clear to all of you. See you in the next lecture, inshallah. Thank you.